Picture yourself walking through ancient temples in Cambodia. Or sailing through the emerald waters of Vietnam's Ha Long Bay. What if I told you that Asia is brimming with undiscovered treasures just waiting to be explored? Today, we're venturing beyond the iconic landmarks to unearth the hidden gems in 15 Asian countries. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the tranquil islands of Indonesia, we're about to reveal destinations that offer not just a vacation, but a transformative journey into Asia's diverse cultures and landscapes. Welcome back, explorers! If you're seeking an authentic Asian experience, away from the tourist crowds, you've come to the right place. Today, we're unveiling 45 lesser-known destinations across Asia that promise to captivate your senses. Grab your virtual passports. It's time to embark on this journey. Thailand, a tapestry of hidden wonders. Ayutthaya. Forget the crowded beaches of Phuket for a moment. Imagine yourself exploring the ancient ruins of a once mighty kingdom. Ayutthaya offers a glimpse into Thailand's rich history. Pai. Nestled in the mountains of northern Thailand, Pai is a haven for those seeking peace and natural beauty. Its hot springs and waterfalls are a nature lover's dream. Hua Hin. Skip the crowds of Bangkok and head to this royal beach resort. With its night markets and golf courses, Hua Hin offers a different taste of Thai luxury. United Arab Emirates, beyond the skyscrapers. Fujairah. Located on the east coast, Fujairah offers pristine beaches and mountainous terrain. It's a diver's paradise, away from the glitz and glamour of Dubai. Al Ain. Known as the Garden City, Al Ain is rich in parks and greenery. Don't miss the Al Ain Zoo and the city's historic forts. Liwa Oasis. Venture into the heart of the Arabian Desert. This oasis is a testament to the UAE's natural beauty and Bedouin heritage. Singapore, a city-state of surprises. Pulau Ubin. Escape the city's hustle and bustle by taking a boat to this small island. Experience Singapore as it was in the 1960s, complete with kampongs and wooden houses. Changi Village. A laid-back coastal village offering a different vibe from Singapore's urban center. Known for its food markets and a beach that's perfect for picnics. Fort Canning Park. A historical landmark offering panoramic views of the city. It's a peaceful retreat with gardens, ancient artifacts, and underground tunnels. Malaysia, a melting pot of cultures. Langkawi. An archipelago known for its beaches and mangrove forests. It's a paradise for water sports enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Ipoh. This charming city is often overlooked but is rich in history and local cuisine. Known for its colonial architecture and limestone caves. Malacca. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Malacca is a testament to Malaysia's colonial past. Its Dutch Square and antique shops are a must-visit. Japan, the land of the rising sun unveiled. Kanazawa. Known for its well-preserved Edo period districts, art museums, and regional handicrafts. It's Japan without the crowds. Okinawa. a tropical paradise offering more than just beautiful beaches. Its unique culture and history make it stand out from mainland Japan. Hakone. Located near Mount Fuji, this town is famous for its hot springs and natural beauty. A perfect getaway for those looking to escape Tokyo's fast pace. Turkey, where East meets West. Cappadocia. Famous for its unique rock formations and hot air balloon rides. It's a surreal landscape that feels like another planet. Pamukkale. Known for its mineral-rich thermal waters flowing down white travertine terraces. It's a natural spa and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Trabzon. Located on the Black Sea coast, this city is rich in history and natural beauty. Don't miss the Samela Monastery and the stunning Uzungol Lake. Macau, more than just casinos. Kowloon Village. Escape the casino lights and head to this tranquil fishing village. Known for its beaches and the famous Lord Stowe's Bakery. Taipa. Experience Macau's Portuguese heritage in this charming area. Its narrow alleys and colonial villas are a step back in time. Ama Temple. The oldest temple in Macau offers a peaceful respite from the city's hustle. It's a blend of Confucianism, Taoism, and Buddhism. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. India, a subcontinent of hidden treasures. Rishikesh. Located in the foothills of the Himalayas, this town is a spiritual and adventure hub. Known for its yoga retreats and whitewater rafting. Pondicherry. A former French colony known for its cobblestone streets and colonial architecture. A unique blend of French and Indian cultures. Coorg. Nestled in the Western Ghats, this hill station is known as the Scotland of India. Famous for its coffee plantations and natural beauty. Taiwan, an island of diverse experiences. Tainan. The oldest city in Taiwan is a blend of modernity and tradition. Known for its temples, fortresses, and delectable street food. Sun Moon Lake. A stunning lake set in the mountains, perfect for boating and hiking. It's a romantic getaway that offers a different side of Taiwan. Taroko Gorge. A breathtaking canyon offering hiking trails through marble cliffs. It's a natural wonder that showcases Taiwan's diverse geography. Indonesia, an archipelago of wonders. Komodo Island. Home to the famous Komodo dragons, this island offers more than just wildlife. Think pink beaches and some of the world's best diving spots. Ubud. Located in Bali, this town is the cultural heart of the island. Known for its rice terraces, temples, and art markets. Raja Ampat. An archipelago offering some of the world's richest marine biodiversity. It's a diver's paradise and a hidden gem in Indonesia's crown. Saudi Arabia, unveiling the Arabian mysteries. Al Khobar. A vibrant city on the Arabian Gulf Coast. Known for its beaches, coral reefs, and a thriving dining scene. Najran. Located near the Yemeni border, this city is rich in ancient ruins and petroglyphs. It's a window into Saudi Arabia's pre-Islamic history. Aba. Nestled in the Asir province, this city offers a cooler climate and stunning landscapes. Known for its parks, dams, and the Habala village. South Korea, the land of morning calm explored. Jeju Island. A volcanic island known for its craters, lava tubes, and lush landscapes. It's South Korea's answer to Hawaii. Jeonju. Often referred to as the museum without walls, this city is rich in history. Home to ancient tombs, temples, and the famous Bulguksa Temple. Incheon. Known for its modern airport, this city offers much more. Think Chinatown, Walmido Island, and the Incheon Grand Park. China, beyond the Great Wall. Zhangjiajie. Famous for its towering sandstone pillars, it inspired the movie Avatar. It's a natural wonder that defies belief. Lijiang. A UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its ancient town and snow-capped mountains. It's China as you've never seen it before. Suzhou. Known for its classical gardens and traditional silk production. Its canals and stone bridges offer a different taste of China. Vietnam, a symphony of natural beauty. Phong Bang National Park. Home to the world's largest cave, this park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It offers jungle treks and underground river adventures. Sapa. Located in the northern region, this town offers stunning terraced rice fields. It's a trekker's paradise and a window into Vietnam's ethnic diversity. Ninh Binh. Often referred to as Halong Bay on land, this area offers stunning karst landscapes. Think boat trips through caves and hikes up limestone peaks. Cambodia, where ancient and modern coalesce. Koh Rong. An island paradise offering white sandy beaches and crystal-clear waters. It's Cambodia's hidden gem away from the Angkor crowds. Battambang. Known for its French colonial architecture and ancient temples. It offers a slower pace of life and is home to Cambodia's bamboo train. Mondulkiri. Located in the eastern part of the country, this province is known for its forests and wildlife. It's a haven for nature lovers and those interested in responsible tourism. We've journeyed through ancient ruins, explored diverse landscapes, and discovered cultural treasures, all while steering clear of the tourist crowds. These 45 hidden gems across 15 Asian countries offer not just a vacation, but a transformative experience. So, the next time you're planning an Asian adventure, remember, the path less trodden often leads to the most unforgettable experiences. Thank you for joining me on this extraordinary journey. Until next time, keep exploring and turning your destinations into experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For exclusive travel deals and detailed experiences, visit tripjive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.